Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a really pretty colorful look. I am in love with how bright everything is. So perfect for summer and really to just uplift your spirits during these times. So I'm going to be using the new Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. I told you guys I was going to use this again. I did already create a tutorial using this palette. I'll link that down below so you guys can check that out. But let me show you on the inside how beautiful it is. So here is the inside. I use more of the neutral shades in my last tutorial and now I want to use more of the purple shades. I'm obsessed with the color combination. I hope you guys are too. And if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in white. I'm going to apply this primer on my lid. And then using my ring finger, I'm going to start blending this out. And then making sure to buff it up towards my crease. I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet Eyeshadow Palette. I'm picking up Optimized. And then quickly, while it's still tacky, using my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to start packing this shadow all over my lid. And I'm just going to keep picking up a little bit more shadow and packing that on over top again, just to get the intensity that I like. And then now doing the same thing, first tapping the shadow into my crease. I just find that if I tap the shadow, it applies more and makes it nice and intense, and then I can start blending this out. And I'm going to do the same thing with the crease again after, just picking up more shadow and reapplying it and blending it out. It just makes the shadow much more intense and opaque. I'm just going to pick up my E38 and just lightly dust over the very high point of my crease to make sure everything is very diffused. Now picking up the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Empire, I'm going to sketch out a rough shape of a really thin liner along my lash line. And then using my Sigma E06 Wing Liner brush, I'm going to start perfecting the liner. You can also go back with the pencil again just to fill it in and then go back in with the brush again just until you get it nice and opaque. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this pencil on my E06 Wing Liner brush and just create a little bit of an inner corner liner. I'm picking up Purple Dust. Using my Smashbox Precise Brown Liner brush, I'm going to start packing the shadow over top of the liner. It's going to give it a really nice shift and kind of a shimmer glisten effect. I'm going into the Benefit Cosmetics Cookie Highlight. With the Smashbox Precise Smudger brush, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to line my upper waterline. And then line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. Okay, are you ready for something really fun? I have been seeing this color combination all over Instagram. Every time I look for inspo, I always end up falling in love with images of a lavender lilac eye paired with a really bright orange lip. And that is what I'm going to do today. I'm really excited to finally try this combination out. So when I was going through my collection, I was swatching a bunch of different orange lipsticks and I found this one. It looks so pretty, so I cannot wait to try it out. I'm not even sure if I've ever even used it, so I'm really excited to see how it looks. So the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Mademoiselle Mango. I love the name. The shade looks incredible, so I cannot wait to try it on. And that is it. This is the completed look of my lavender smoky eye using the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to mention it again. I know I already mentioned it a couple times, but I am obsessed with this color combination. I was really excited to try it on myself to see if I would like it as much as I do when I see it on photos, and I am obsessed. Let me know down in the comments if you would ever try out this color combination and try out such a bright lip, because all I see in the viewfinder right now is my lipstick, and I'm not mad about it. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!